Hey, do you camp or maybe you hike, auto camp, not in the car where there's a lot of room? You might have limited room and limited weight capacity, hiking, bicycles. You might want to bring some meals with you. Mountain house is a good option. I found something else where you don't actually need to carry a stove with you. Yeah, so these called Omeals. There'll be a link down in the description of the website where you can go and get your own Omeals. There's a lot of different things. I've tried the spaghetti, not bad. I'd stay away from the pizza. It was kind of like tomato paste and the cheese didn't melt. Blech. So yeah, there's a bunch of different kinds. The oatmeal wasn't bad. The vegetable stew with beef was pretty good. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and I've got some water sitting here with a ice stick in it. That's for like your beer or whatever, so you can keep it cold on the hot days and the ice doesn't water it down. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this, and up in one of these corners here you've been seeing it cooking. So I'm going to open this. You can see me pour the water in it, and then we're going to magically fast forward to when it's done, and I'll open it up and show you what it looks like inside on the fork or whatever. So without further ado, let's tear into it. So these meals, you're supposed to be able to put any kind of water in here because it's got its own little heater. Open it up. A bunch of different stuff in there. Bag's empty. And on the back, it's got a fill line. So we'll just pop this guy open. So here's your heating element pad, whatever the hell you want to call it. You just add water to it and it heats up. Here's your packet of food. I will say it's not very filling. I mean, we tend to eat too much anyway, but when you're home and doing normal things, we tend to eat more than we're supposed to. This probably would be considered a serving. It doesn't seem to be enough for me. I mean, for a lunch or something like that, but for something that heats itself up, like an emergency or something, you're out on BDR or something and you didn't see enough places to stop to get your own food, it would be a good emergency thing, or maybe a lunch along the side of the trail. It all packs up. They throw in a spoon or sometimes a spork. Got salt and pepper and a napkin. Everything's all wrapped up pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the other camera, and that's going to take the bag and the whole process. So that's what's sitting up here, that's cooking after this part. Magic of cinematography. Let's get the bag. Hey, it's recording. All right. So you take your water, you fill it up to the fill line. Take our stick out in the sink. A little bit more. All right, it's up to the fill line. Take your food. Drop your food in. Sits down to the bottom. You take your heating pack. Drop this down in. Roll it down. Seal it closed. And then shortly here, it's going to start to steam. Sure, it's a defective one. Yeah, it's working. All right, so I'll be back when it's done. All right. Been cooking for a little bit. Be careful, it's hot. Steam and all that. It's hot. All right. Open her up. Smells good. Looks mushy. Eat. Let's see what this is like. I haven't tried this one yet. It said there's a spoon, napkin, salt and pepper if you want it. Let's see. Here's the pretty good. Better than eating bark. A little mushy, but so yeah, that's the Omeals self-heating meals. You can use cold water, warm water, whatever you've got. So if you like this and you want to try and pick up some, I recommend going to the Omeals website. Again, link down in the description. It's so much cheaper there than on Amazon. Amazon, they're almost, the prices change, but it seems to be almost double, or quite a bit more expensive. They're like between $6, $7, $8, depending on what you got. There's hash browns, there's like I said, oatmeal. At the Southwest chicken, there's a couple of chicken meals, there's a couple of different pasta meals. I would stay away from the pizza. I didn't really care for it. Pizza is one of my favorite things, and I was so excited to try it, but my buddy's daughter said that she's tried the cookies and they were awesome. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If not, give us a thumbs down. I don't care. It is what it is. But if you're out there camping, be safe, and until next time, ride safe, ride often, and ride on too. Ciao, people. It's good.
A little spicy.
Check out mototime.com. Comfortable stuff. And use the discount code throttled ADV for 20% off. Can't beat it.